Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and it's been a couple months. Sorry, I've been sick and everything else has happened in the world, but I got my first imported global phone. That's a foldable. Y'all know I'm the foldable queen. I like foldables. And nobody wanted to put out any globals that run Google Play services. But today I have for you the Honor Magic V2. So let's get this box open. I'll throw all that good information up there for you. How much it cost me and all that good stuff. So you can run out and get you one because over in the UK, they're paying a little bit more for this phone. You know, I always unbox my imported phones because they usually give you a little something to unbox, unlike here in the States. Background Honor, you know, it's a spin-off of Huawei. It's not Huawei. That's why I've kind of been hesitant to go out here and try it. But, you know, we're going to start it out with an Honor this year to start out 2024. Now, I copped the silk purple. Gotta get this off. It's a very sparkly matte kind of finish here. Won't have any fingerprints there. The camera is very shiny. And for reference for size, I have the Oppo Find N3 or the OnePlus Open here. These are the two phones side by side. They are really the same size. Now, besides thickness, you can see the difference in width there, and they're about the same length and height. The first thing I noticed about the OnePlus Open Oppo Find N3 is that it was so light because I was used to carrying a Pixel Fold, and this is even lighter than that. Let's see, has any juice? Phone has juice. Took it 3 days to get here because I didn't get my order until Thursday. One of the things they talk about with this phone is the titanium hinge. That's very nice. Very much a matte finish there. Of course, I have screen protectors coming in matte. I will not be removing the inside screen protector. And I have a carbon fiber case coming. It's a gray black kind of pattern. We're gonna skip the SIM card because it's upstairs. See, Google Services is already on the phone during setup. So while we're letting the phone do its thing over there, let me open up and just show you what else is in this box because I ain't trying to keep you all day. This should be cord, and there's a cord. This should be your charging brick. Yeah, this might be the international charging brick because this is the global variant. They include a 66-watt charger. What I typically do is I don't use the charger that comes in the box just because I have so many chargers laying around and that's just how I do. Next up, we have your case. Yes, I said case. They match your phone, so whatever color phone you get, you'll get a matching case. Even the leather looking black version gives a black kind of case. This is a leather looking case, even though my phone isn't leather looking, and it's a kickstand case. So, you know, you want to put your phone up. I've been buying kickstands for my cases here lately. It also protects the hinge. So there it is with the case on. No front. So let's put all this good stuff up, my good people. SIM ejection tool there. And warranty card from Honor. And we put everything back in the box. Common misconceptions, briefly going over. Let's see. If you buy these phones from overseas, you don't have any warranty. Wonder Mobile gives you a warranty. You want to support your girl, you want to get this phone, use the link in the description. It's an affiliate code. And right now, I am just setting up password and stuff for my Honor account because it's saying I can't connect to the server because I'm in the basement right now. But I'm going to come back to you and we're going to finish up setting up this phone. I literally feel like I come back like SpongeBob 3 hours later. But literally, I shot the first part of this video during my lunch break. Now it's post-work. So I got my apps loaded on here. It's not recognizing my face because I'm behind the thing, but I did my fingerprint and that seems to work. I got everything loaded. The infamous wallpaper I use on all of my phones. This gloss is driving me nuts because I can see my reflection. We got everything on here. I'm still playing around with this. I haven't really had a chance to do anything because I was working while it was syncing everything over. It's still not at a full charge. It's at 76%. always on display is going to be cut off at some point. I have a smartwatch. I use the Huawei. I'll link that in the video here. Kind of expensive, but you know, I like a nice classy watch that lasts longer than a couple days. So I can get 5 days out of that watch. Not going to go into that. What I wanted to cover, which is the most commonly asked questions about said devices that are sold overseas and not really sold here. There haven't really been a lot of imported devices that came global. I felt like China was trying to punish us. They said keep your little Samsung. But now that I think some other phones are coming out, the OnePlus dropped the phone and then Pixel Fold, I think they're like, hey, we're gonna do a little something for y'all. So that being said, Android Auto and all of those things, all the good things work on this phone. I don't have Android Auto to test it out, but I've verified through various posts I've seen online that Android Auto works. Google Pay works, Google Wallet works. So all the things that you like to use, there was literally a folder full of Google when I opened up this phone. Hey Barry Johnson, what you up to? And I already have my beeper app on here too. So like I said, I haven't really did a lot with this phone. Bear with me, but everything Google is here. I didn't have to go side load it. It is already on here. Shout out to Honor. This is my first Honor device. I'll be completely honest with you about it. You know, once I get into it and get to use it, tomorrow will be my first full day, and we'll see if it is anything like the beloved Huawei that I've always come to, you know, love. I don't know how much I like removing screen protectors. I have found that if the screen protectors with this purplish kind of look to it, I don't know if you understand what I mean by that, but it's not like, I don't mess with those. My Oppo is the same way, but as far as like Motorola, Samsung, a lot of the companies that are sold in the US, you can remove those screen protectors even though they tell you not to. I say that because I've done it. On these imported ones, I'm a little more careful because I can't see where the screen protector starts and where it ends, and I don't want to ruin a perfectly decent phone. So I layer them on the inside. On the outside, I will remove this one just because, you know, it's a regular screen protector. I can see where it starts and stops, and I can easily just take that off. Case is decent. I like a little more protection on the front and back of my phone. I have dropped my OnePlus open before, and it has absolutely no damage, and it's fine. I haven't dropped many of my phones, but that one I have. You'll be happy to know that you can use your third-party launchers here, and they work just fine. That's usually something people have issue with. Gosh, that shimmer is nice. It looks black sometimes, purple. That's just really nice. That's a nice finish. And you don't have to worry about fingerprints. I ordered a clear case because I will be showing off some of the beauty of this silk purple. And, you know, not risking the damage of just having it without a case on it. If you're interested in that, make sure you check out the links in the description. It was dirt cheap. Like, it wasn't even 10 bucks, and that was shipped and everything. All of this stuff should be here within the next week or two. We'll see. You'll see, because you'll see the videos drop. And you might have thought that was unfair of me to compare them thickness-wise when one had a case on and one didn't. So now they both have cases on, and still, there's not. It's still thicker. The Honor Magic is just a really thin phone. I can't wait to see how that pans out. I have another wallpaper I want to try out on here, but yeah. See how those same wallpapers look completely different on different phones? So I'm gonna switch it up and put, yeah, the classic DGs with the glowing lights. So yeah, this was just a quick unboxing. I wanted to show you, you know, what all you got in the box. I wanted to tell you what I have coming. But if you have any questions about this Honor phone while I am using it for the next couple weeks, be sure to drop those in the comments. Also, any links to any of the stuff that I've bought, including this phone, will be in the description, as I stated before. If I had ordered like early Wednesday day, or if I had ordered Tuesday, it would have been here by Friday. I say Wanda Mobile's like Amazon Prime when it comes to shipping phones from overseas. You get it in 2 days. If you pay for the express shipping, it's $25 more, but it's worth the peace of mind, and you don't have to wait forever. Probably quicker than some of your local phone people right here in the States. Enough about that though. I thank y'all for stopping by, checking out my channel, and checking out this video. If you like these type of videos, and if you've liked this one, click the like button. If you've liked numerous videos on this channel, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to join and maybe possibly see what a membership has to offer, click on the join button and see what those perks are. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money. And it's